it's Lisa back with a new layout. And this time I'm making a layout for Audrey Yeager's summer scrapping series, where she invited several YouTubers to join her in her YouTube hop. So she made 7 days of scrapping in June, 7 days in July, and now we're the last week in August, where I'm the fourth last one, I think. And tomorrow it's gonna be Missy Witten, so yeah, you should check out her channel, Audrey Yeager's channel, and then see all the videos she made for the summer scrapping, and then see also in the links below who joined her every day. So today it's me joining her, and I'm creating this very cute, I don't know if it's an when I was watching this, when I was editing the video, I was like, is this an octopus, or is it I don't even know the name in English of those transparent things that really hurt when you touch them, when they touch you. I don't even know what they are called, but yeah, I don't really know if it's one of those or if it's an octopus, but it's something like that. So yeah, just creating this, and I placed the sheets on my pattern paper just to see how big I could go. Yeah, then I just traced it with a pencil, and now I'm just putting holes in the whole thing, and I stitched the whole thing with white thread. Now I'm putting some tape behind the pieces that are left, and I'm putting the whole thing on my very cool striped pattern paper, which is from Heidi Swap. And I wanted to go different for this layout. I wanted to have a white background, and I wanted my, let's call it octopus to be colorful, and I wanted to use a different pattern paper for every leg. But then when I was looking through my papers to see which papers I wanted to use, I saw this cool pattern paper, and I thought, okay, I'm going the other way around. I will have a colorful background and a white octopus. And yeah, what I absolutely wanted to use were those Pebbles summer stickers, which I bought when I was in Orlando 2 weeks ago. I bought those at Tuesday morning, and I thought, okay, these I will use for Audrey Yeager's YouTube hop because they are so cute. Okay, so what I did, okay, let's just tell you now what I'm doing now and then go back later. So I'm backing my photo with some vellum, and then using my ruler to cut some pieces of pattern paper. And these are just scraps of paper that I have in a drawer in my scrap room, where I put all the leftovers, and then I go back when I don't really have to use a specific collection. I just go through these papers and then choose everything I need and everything that matches. So I backed my photo with all of those pattern papers, and then I'm using this fun foam to put behind my octopus, and then putting some tape and some glue and putting it on my background. Yeah, as I wanted to tell you, for the cheeks of my little cute octopus, I used some dabbers. I don't know, I think it's foam dabbers or something, and I dabbed some cheeks with how are they called again? What are they called again? Let me check. with, yeah, Distress Oxide. Sorry, I'm not so good with remembering names. So it's this Distress Oxide, and I used for the cheeks. And then I put some of those very cute stickers, the flowers on its head and on some of the tentacles. And then, yeah, I'm using my Pebeo acrylic marker to make some splatters, to splatter some paint all around. And then look what I'm doing now. Oh my god, yeah, a fail. Yeah, that happened. So I'm trying to get rid of most of the mess I made, but when I'm editing the picture, I will delete some of those yeah, some of those spots that I made. Oh well, it happens. So for my title, I used some crepe paper and Chamel stickers, and I think they look very cool with this layout. And now I'm going back to my pebble stickers and just see what I can use on my layout. I used 2 of those mermaids, and I think they are very cool because we're all girls on the layout, and it matches. And then I'm using this octopus, and the other one is that other animal I can't name because I don't know the name of it. But yeah, so I have both of these, and then some flowers, sun, and a starfish. And then I'm going through those 2, but they are so small that it was very difficult, and they are also transparent, so it was a little bit more difficult to use these in this layout. I think they will be very useful in a traveler's notebook or something, but on layouts it's a little bit more difficult to use those. So I went back to the other ones and then put some on, and also used some foam squares to make them stand out more. And someone just rang on the door. I don't know who it is, but I'm not going to open. I hope it's not for me. And then I'm using this black pen to make a frame, like always. I love to do this, as you know. And yeah, that's about it. So yeah, thanks for joining. Look at the link below to see Audrey's video and all the other ones who joined, and I hope you had fun. Let me know, and have a very good day. Bye bye.